Hey, this is Doug from DroneMobile. I'm here to talk to you about connected installations on the Drone XT. So obviously, the Drone XT is a battery-powered GPS tracker, but there are some benefits to using a connected installation. The biggest reason is the smart charging feature. The smart charging feature allows the device to charge while it's connected if the voltage is above 13.1 volts. This eliminates any possibility of draining the vehicle's battery. I would recommend a connected installation of the Drone XT whenever possible to maximize its battery life. So now that we're in the vehicle, we're going to talk about connected installation options. The easiest connected installation is to utilize the USB-C cable that comes in the box with the Drone XT. This just plugs into the USB port in the vehicle and then plugs into the Drone XT and allows you to utilize that smart charging feature that we talked about. The other option, the more stealthy option, is to utilize the Hardwired connector. The first step in a Hardwired installation is to locate your vehicle's OBD2 connector. Once you've located the vehicle's OBD2 connector, you're going to identify pins 4 and 16. Pin 4 is always ground. Pin 16 is always a constant 12-volt source. Those are the two wires you're going to need on every hardwired installation. You can also connect to the ignition wire on the harness. That would be the green wire. The ignition source will vary depending on the vehicle. Once you've completed the hardwired connections for the Drone XT, you'll want to mount that Drone XT under the dash. Make sure that you mount it securely and that there are no metal panels above the Drone XT to interfere with GPS satellite signals. If there's not an adequate location to use the magnetic mount, be sure to attach zip ties through the ears on either side of the Drone XT to make sure that it's securely mounted under the dash. For more information, visit our website and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching today.